What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do one of my challenges that I like to do to push me at the end of my workout, or sometimes even at the beginning. It's a good warm-up and it's a good finisher. We're going to do 200 push-ups, but we're going to do it with minimal rest. So, some people take 10 minutes, some people could do it in under 5 minutes. This challenge is to do 200 push-ups in under 5 minutes. So the way you want to do this type of challenge is you want to pace yourself. Form might be a little bit compromised, but you don't want to compromise too much of your form because we're under a time constraint. You want to make sure that you reach your 200 push-ups with your best form possible. So with these, make sure to take your time. I like to do in sets of 30. Once I reach maybe like 150, then I look at my time, and then from there, I'll do 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I'll do sets of 10. Easy way to finish it off. But really try to push yourself. Don't try to do too much with these right at first, like 50 or 60, because you might burn out and you might not have enough time to recover. So we're gonna go ahead and start this. 200 push-ups in under 5 minutes. Do this challenge with me. If you do this, tag me, send me a message with it. We're gonna get started. And let's have fun with it. 30 push-ups, real easy, right? I could do more, but I don't need to because I'm on a good pace. Maybe about 40 seconds. I'll go with my next set. We'll get going. This is a good trick right here to do. Once you start getting tired in the later rounds, keep going. We're at 60. We're at 60, we're making good time. My goal is always to hit 150. I'm sorry, over 100 and half the time, which we're on pace. Let's go. All right, we're at 90. 90. We got two more sets. Two more sets of 30. Here we go. We're at 120. We're at almost 2 minutes and a half, halfway through. That was my goal, to go over 100 by the time I reach halfway. We got one more hard set. All right, make sure you're resting enough. Not too much, but just the right time. We're on 150, making good time. Last five sets, easy money. 10 sets of 10. I could literally go right now. just like that. We're 160, 3.5 minutes. Plenty of time. This is where this comes in handy right here. Shake it off. $170. Still under 4 minutes. $180. We got 2 more sets. $190. We got 30 seconds left to do this. Just take your time. And we're done. All right, guys, that was 200 push-ups. That was about 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Make sure to pace yourself, push yourself. Don't rest too much and don't rest too little. Make sure to keep track of your time. Again, this is a good workout that I like to do either at the beginning or at the end to really push myself with this chest pump workout. Give it a shot. Try it out. Tag me. And if you guys want any more challenges like this, or want to challenge me with any other type of challenge, feel free to comment down below what that may be. And I'll see you next time, guys. Let's get it.